Okay, here is our gorgeous backyard. On the side and to the cool, ultra cool water feature. I don't know how it works, but it's fabulous. And I love it. And let's see. Oh, look, it's our huge, huge hot tub. I don't know how that works either, but I love it. And then our bedroom's in there. We don't have any furniture or anything yet, but still. This is cool. This is our backyard. La-di-da. La-di-da. We have these great plants. And then the lady that lived here before left behind some pretty plants. We've got all kinds of stuff that are going to spring up in the spring, because that's what spring is for. Hi, Ronnie.
Hi.
Look, they even left us a grill. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. We have cool landscape lights we didn't realize we had. Great trees. Well, really, it's just the most fabulous place on earth.